Y'all world, what's the deal? It's your boy Original back with another one for y'all, man. I checked this out today on my YouTube channel. I just want to make y'all aware, man, of my second YouTube channel I'm growing. This channel, All Strand Reviews. I've been posting on this channel a lot. We've been going up. Y'all see the views going up. Just all from this month. So far, let's go on the dashboard. This channel only been running for a month. Y'all can see we got 358 subscribers and we almost at 20,000. We should be at 20,000 views by the end of today. All within the first month. So I just want to shout out everybody that been supporting me on this channel. I know how much y'all like my strand reviews on this channel, but I just had to switch up the whole algorithm on my YouTube channel. So y'all see, we gonna get them views back up though. We gonna run them views back up. You know, we gonna run them views all the way back up. Let's see. Let's see what the highest viewed video on this new channel. 2,900, almost 3,000 views uploaded March 13th. We going up. What video was that? The original Pink Runts review. Yeah, we going up, man. So it's your boy Young World. Make sure y'all subscribe, man. Make sure y'all turn on post notifications, you know, for my new channel. If I don't upload on this channel, I'm gonna upload on that channel. You know, I mainly upload on Young World. You know, I'm gonna still upload daily on Young World. But my new channel, y'all see the title right there. Y'all see the title, right? My new channel, you know, this one for y'all. This one for all my fans that, you know, follow me. All my supporters, really, you know, they supported me, you know, in the past year of me taking YouTube serious, man. So make sure y'all go subscribe to the channel, man. Now we got more videos coming on Young World. I got some more videos coming on this channel. Y'all just gotta let me know. Give me any comment. Y'all can leave a comment right on this video. I watch all my comments within the first 24 hours of me posting because I post so much. So, you know, I really just try to focus on the first 24 hours. After that, you know, I'm uploading another video, thinking about a new video, researching. So, yeah, we got a lot of new videos coming this week for y'all. I just been, you know, in the lab. You know, we've been recording some new music, you know, uploading on this channel. Y'all see how many videos I uploaded already. We got 35 uploads on here. 35 uploads, and I upload daily on my channel. It's a grind, man. This YouTube is a grind, so I'm building this this channel the right way. A whole new email. You know, it's different from my main channel. This channel is not monetized, so just support, you know, click the links in the description, share the videos, just run up the views, you know, support this channel, man. Y'all want me to keep dropping all the exclusive reviews, so it's your boy. We just gonna chill, man. We just chilling right now. It's a good Sunday, you know. I had a very productive week. Next week is gonna be very productive. I'm just giving y'all, you know, a warning, man. Next week I'm about to apply so much pressure on YouTube. And we got a lot of new videos coming. A lot of videos I've been working on. You know, we about to schedule. And we just gonna keep working, man. We just gonna keep working. But my new channel is growing. Shout out to everybody, all of the 358 people that have subscribed to this channel. Let's see the vidIQ numbers. vidIQ numbers, so we getting about 70 views an hour, you know. Last month, you see that? You see that it just spiked. Watch hours just went to the roof. Subscribers going up. So I'm gonna keep bringing awareness to this channel. Cause I want this channel to grow big, quick. Like, we could get this channel to 10K. We could get this channel to 10K quick, so yeah. That's my goal with YouTube, just to grow a bunch of channels. I just want to see, you know, who really support me. Like, who really listening to my message and supporting everything I do, you know. We got a lot of good video. I really want to tell y'all what's coming, but just know it's a lot of great videos coming, man. I got a video on black seed oil coming. It's about to blow y'all mind, the research I found out about this video. Or about this supplement, you know. And yeah, I saw a video break it down out cold, but I'm about to take it to another level. So you already know it's your boy. I also been recording new music, man. I can't wait till y'all hear my new music. Y'all know every song you ever hear from me, any song I put out, I record myself. I'm in here, you know, I got the headphones. I'm recording myself, you know what I'm saying? You know, the pad, you know, sometimes I write, sometimes I just, you know, punch. But, you know, I like the vibe of just punching, you know, when you in the mood and you got that right beat. But yeah, I got a lot of creative stuff, man. We not playing no more games, man. We just going crazy, you know, taking it to another level with everything on the creative aspect, you know. With this whole lockdown situation, it's like a blessing. It's really a blessing for those, you know, out here grinding. So, let's look at my channel. Y'all see, we still grinding on my channel. Look at the dates. Look at the dates. It's the 26th, 25th, 24th, uploaded twice, 22nd, uploaded 3 times, 20th, 18th, 17th, 16th, like, grinding, man. I might take a day off, you know, just to think and plan on some new shit. But April, we was going crazy. 8, 9, 10. I uploaded twice on the 10th. 11, 12. Uploaded on 13, 14, 15, 16. Like, and you notice that premiered. I'm about to drop another video. Just about using the new YouTube tools. April 4th. Man, we just been dropping back to back, man. We just been dropping every day. I dropped 4 times on the 4th. I dropped 2 times on the 5th. We was going crazy, you know. But yeah. It's probably one of my favorite videos I dropped this month. Street Yantra found in Oregon. I got 200 views so far. We dropped it on the 26 days ago. Another one of my favorite. This is one of my favorite videos for real this month. This video got 46 likes. You know, ain't nobody disliked that mug. I got a feeling somebody gonna be petty and go dislike it, but hey, that's your karma. You know what I'm talking about? But yeah, this video attract millions of dollars. You mistake me. I got a feeling this is gonna be one of the videos that YouTube algorithm just pick up like 6 months from now, you know, a couple months from now, and they just gonna blow this video up. I like this video too. I'm gonna redo this video, digital real estate, but I like that video a lot. That was a good video. You know, the stimulus check, that video went crazy, you know. I just like my channel. It's a variety of stuff, you know, and I got over 800 videos, man. Like, I'm gonna go crazy. I got too many videos, so yeah. Analytics on my channel, we doing pretty good. 83 views an hour. Last 48 hours, we got 4K. Last 7 days, 15K. 45K minutes watched. Average time watch is 3 minutes on my channel. It's good. We on the up. I like that. So yeah, it's your boy Yon World. Just make sure y'all subscribe to my new channel. We growing on YouTube every day. We not playing with y'all. It's your boy Yon World.